Hey guys, I want to give a special shout out to my sissy Bet. I just want to say thank you, girl, for all that you do. Thank you for the support, the love, and I appreciate you from the bottom of my heart. And I just want to give you this special shout out, sis. I love you. Hey guys, it's your girl Shay. Yes, I am back with another cooking video. So we are in the 12 days of Christmas. 12 days of Christmas. So today, you guys, as y'all can see, I am back with a cooking video. I'm about to make me a steak and egg sandwich. My own steak and egg sandwich. So I cut up my veggies, green pepper, red pepper, onions. These are my seasonings I'm going to use. Black pepper, meat tenderizing, seasoned salt. I got me some butter. I got my eggs. Here go my New York strip steak. It's a thin New York strip steak. I cleaned it off and got it all together. Here go my buns that I'm going to use. I'm going to toast them up. And here go the cheese. Yes, so before we get started, make sure you guys like, subscribe, comment, share, and make sure you guys turn that notification bell on so that you can be notified whenever I drop a video. And I am going to be using my McGriddle, you guys. So I'm going to take y'all along with me. Just stay put, stay calm, and I will be back. Hey guys, so now I am back, and I am putting butter all over the griddle. Hope you guys enjoying this beautiful day. The girl had a taste for a homemade steak sandwich. My mom used to make them when we was younger. And I be trying to get them from the restaurants, but they just don't be right, y'all. So I'd rather make my own. Okay, that's enough veggies for right now. Let these veggies saute in this butter. Y'all know it won't be right if I ain't waste nothing, so we're gonna let them veggies cook right there in that butter for a while. And then on this other side, you guys, we are going to be putting the steak. Okay, now guys, so I got the steak. Let me put this up on this thing. So what I'm going to do with this steak is, I am going to, oh, it smells good already. I ain't even seasoned nothing. So let me put my little seasonings on this steak. Let me turn this down up some. So what I'm going to put on here is some seasoned salt. I think I showed y'all what I had already. Put me some seasoned salt up here. I got some black pepper. And I also got some meat tenderizer, y'all. What the heck are y'all doing? I done held up the whole top, y'all. Got some meat sanitizer. Okay. These veggies smell super good. Okay, let me add my meat tenderizer back to it. This song come out. Okay, my black pepper. And my seasoning salt. Okay. Okay. Stuff smells so good, y'all. Get a little bit more butter and put on this thing. Gotta turn this back up a little bit, y'all. I had to add a little bit more butter and turn it up. Okay. So you guys, I'm gonna let this cook. And once it's almost done, I will be back to show you guys what's going on. And I also gotta make my egg. So I will be back to show you guys. Oh, these veggies smell so good, y'all. And I ain't put nothing in it but butter. I don't put nothing on my veggies. And they smell so good. Then I'm going to toast up my bread. Y'all know your girl finna be eating good today, baby. Okay, so I will be back, you guys. Let me let this cook. And I will be back to show you guys what's next. Hey guys, so I just want to come and give y'all an update on how everything is looking. That steak's so juicy and it tastes so good already, y'all. Let my veggies saute just a little bit more. Yes. I'll be back. Guys, I got the egg on in there. My steak is about done. Oh my gosh. Looks so good. It smells so good. Just want to show you guys what's going on now. Got my egg. I'm about to put cheese all on top. Yes. About to put cheese all on top of this bad boy, baby. I just want to show y'all this, and I'll be back, you guys, with another update. Yummy. Guys, my cheese done melted all on top of my eggs. Oh my gosh. I got my bread buttering up. Got my buns toasting up. My steak is done. Look all up in there, y'all. And it's so juicy and tender, y'all. It tastes so good. Oh my God. Everything is about done. Now I'm about to assemble everything. And once I'm done doing that, I will be back to show you guys what's going on. Yummy, yummy, yummy. And my veggies is right here. They done. So everything is on point, y'all. I'll be back to show you guys what's going on next. Hey, y'all. So my plate is all done, y'all. I made my steak sandwich. I put my steak down, put my veggies all on top, my cheese egg, my toasted bun. Oh my gosh. And then I got me some onion rings on the side, y'all. Yeah, so this is my quick, juicy, tender steak sandwich. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share. Also, don't forget to turn your notification bells on so that you can be notified whenever I drop a video. And happy holidays. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching. And I will see you guys in the next video. Y'all look so good. Oh my gosh. Looks so good. So juicy. Look how juicy it look. Yummy. All right, y'all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Happy holidays, everyone. Bless you all.
Happy holidays from Shay's Journey. 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 Happy
And we love you guys. Happy holidays.